Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best kitchen utensils that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. J.K. Adams Plain Maple Rolling Dowel. When they say there's beauty in simplicity, they're talking about this wooden rolling pin. It's really just a sturdy wooden cylinder of a medium-heavy weight, nothing more, nothing less. But during testing, it rolled out perfect dough every time. The simple design of this wooden pin, combined with its weight, makes it easy to control the amount of pressure you use based on what you need for your dough. For tough dough you can push a bit harder, and for soft dough you can keep a light touch. The long, cylindrical body and lack of handles also means that you'll never cut an edge through your dough the way you sometimes might with smaller, handled rolling pins. This translates to an even, non-lumpy dough that's easy to shape however you want. To top it off, flour sticks to the pin just fine, which keeps dough from sticking while in use. At number 4. Chef'n FreshForce Citrus Juicer. There's a lot to love about the Chef'n FreshForce Citrus Juicer. We immediately noticed how easy this juicer was to use, thanks to the large, comfortable handles and a gear mechanism that helped us press into the fruit without much effort. It was one of the fastest juicers we used, and it did so without sacrificing the quality of the juice. Unlike most of the juicers, which feature tiny little holes, the Chef'n has star-shaped slits in the bottom of the hopper. Those slits worked magic, allowing the juice to pass through without any seeds and a limited amount of pulp. It was also less messy than most of the units, barely spraying any juice out the sides as you used it. At number 3. Robo Twist. The Robo Twist gets our highest rating for a simple reason. It was the only device we tested that easily opened every container we tried, from a wide-mouthed pickle jar to a small jam jar. It even worked on a big pasta sauce jar that, for some reason, was mission impossible for a very similar automatic device. Here's how it works. You place the pod containing the motor and 2 AA batteries, not included, on top of your jar and press the big green button on top. You keep the button pressed down as 2 outer arms with rubber grips move in toward the sides of the jar or bottle. Then you let go of the button as 2 inner arms move in to place rubber grips around the lid. Once that happens, the inner arms twist and, voila! Every time, the lid opens, often with a satisfying pop. Then you wait a few seconds for the arms to reset to their original position. At number 2. EZ-DUZ-IT Deluxe Can Opener. The unassuming EZ-DUZ-IT probably looks exactly like the can opener you grew up with, and for good reason. What it lacks in special features and flashy design it makes up for in pure power and rock-solid construction, making it our top choice for most people. Throughout our testing, the EZ-DUZ-IT easily pierced lids, stayed attached to the edges, and made its way around cans without catching or resisting along the way. Its slim rubberized handles were easy to grip and prevented hand fatigue when opening can after can. And with such an intuitive, straightforward design, there's little room for user error. While the EZ-DUZ-IT excelled in ease of use and speed trials, its durability is what pushed it ahead of the pack. Its all-metal construction makes us confident that it will survive many years of daily use, including being jostled around in drawers and dropped off the counter, and its Amazon user reviews support our theory. Finally at number 1. Progressive International PL8 Artisan Pizza Wheel. Out of all the cutters we tested, the PL8 definitely felt the most substantial. Composed of an 18/10 stainless steel blade, a silicone-coated handle, and a zinc cutter body, it was appealingly weighty in our hand yet perfectly in balance and comfortable to use. All in all, this translated to one highly efficient cutter. It made it through thick, bubbled pizzas, topping laden flatbreads, and seeded cracker dough in single, unbroken strokes. There's even a hub on that wheel that you can hook onto a hot oven rack, which helps you easily retrieve and cut your pie. Who said pizza cutters were one-trick ponies? It also cleans easily, by either hand or machine, and has a snug fitting blade cover, a safety precaution that, surprisingly, isn't a common-sense addition to most pizza slicers. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.